Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my garden planning. Let's get into it. Today I'm going to be doing some garden planning, like I said in the intro and on the title of the video, and just kind of what I do to get ready for the upcoming season. Last year I kind of just threw some seeds out there, and I don't want to do that again, so I did want to take the time to actually plan my garden. And I just got my calendar and I just grabbed some like white paper, and kind of like me and my husband, yeah, he drew this. I didn't draw that, he did. To kind of give us an idea of what we wanted to do, well, what I wanted to do as far as what I wanted to plant, how many containers I have, how many containers I want to get, wood for beds and things like that. And I just kind of just, per inch is on your paper when you're looking at inches. Per inch is like per foot, so that's how we scale it that way. And I dumped all my seeds on the table to kind of see what I had or what I wanted to grow. And so, I really have a lot of ideas. I have a lot of ideas of what I wanted to do, but I also wanted to be really realistic about how much space I have and how much I was actually trying to do that I could handle, because I got 4 kids. I have I just have a lot going on already, so I feel like I wanted to really be realistic on what I was going to be able to do. So, and it might still seem like a lot, but I'll be making time because I really enjoy doing this. So, herbs. I wanted to have like a specific place for herbs. So I'm gonna be doing I'm gonna do some chives. That's not an herb. Some lavender, oregano, and basil is what I have so far. Also, I saw this on My Gardener, and I thought that was really cool. It's called lemon mint. I was like, that's cool. So I wanted to get that, and I have some slow bolting cilantro and some bee balm. I don't really know what it does, but I thought it would grow. So I don't know. Yeah. But I really just wanted to be realistic in my mind. And so my sister gave me they're so small, these little parsley seeds. I don't know where she got them from, but she gave them to me, so I'm probably going to do those. And last year I did plant some sunflowers, but I didn't really plant a bunch of other things. I want to attract a bunch of pollinators. And I love flowers. I love flowers. So I wanted to have a lot of really pretty flowers this year, and actually have structure, and actually have them in places that I want them, not just, y'all, I was a mess. I was just like, oh, I'm just gonna plant this. Ooh, a squirrel. I was chasing squirrels. Anyway, so my grandmother sent me these cosmos, so I'm gonna plant those. Some cosmos, some sweet alyssum, marigolds. I heard that you can do a lot with marigolds, as far as how beneficial they are to have in your garden space. So I'm definitely gonna plant those marigolds. I got some milkweed, but I'm not sure if I got the right kind. I don't know, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna plant those, about 2 of those. Also, I went to this discount store that I have in my town here, and I got these poppies. Look how pretty these are.
I love them.
You love them? Go lay down. You're supposed to be taking a nap.
How did you have?
I bought them.
I love you, but
I love you too. And I also got these zinnias that I wanted to try. And these sunflowers. These are called evening sun sunflowers. And so I want to try those. What else? I just got all my stuff out here. I really like the way that this kale looks. So I was gonna grow some of these. I found a bunch of different recipes for collard greens, and it's something about some collard greens. Like I've never had any like fresh ones out of somebody's garden, anything myself, but like my mom has, and some other stuff like that. So I wanted to try and grow them myself. These are Vate's collard greens, and I had a really good success with these during the fall. So I'm gonna plant some more of these. And they had this dwarf blue curled Vate's kale that I wanted to try too. So a lot of these was like 30 cents at this discount store that I have here in my city where I live. And so I was just like, I'm about to get these. So those are like the green, like leafy things that I wanted to grow. And as far as like peppers, I don't know, because I can't have a whole bunch of hot stuff, because my kids just be like, my daughter was out there trying to eat stuff last year, because I planted a bunch of stuff last year, but I didn't record anything, like nothing, because I was still new, I was still just starting. But I'm going to be planting these sweet carnival blend peppers. I guess they're going to be these colors. I hope they are, because that's exciting. Look at that. What else? My sister gave me, they're called sweet pepper big reds that I'm going to be trying. These jalapeno red peppers. That's different. And these that I got, I don't know. I don't think they're hot. Are they hot? I don't think they're hot. No, it's sweet. Italian sweet grilling peppers is what these are. So they're not hot. And I think that's it for the peppers. Yeah, I wasn't growing a whole lot of those because I don't know how it's going to be. And I just, as far as tomatoes, I got this one. It was kind of cool looking, so I got this one. And then, this is called a yellow pear tomato. I've never heard of it. My sister gave them to me. I've never heard of no yellow pear tomato, so I'm going to try those. And this 4th of July hybrid tomato is one that I'm going to be trying too, so I'm really excited. Really excited. And just some other things I got with these birdhouse gourds. I love crafts, and I'm a kind of a crafty person, so I wanted to try these to kind of maybe make for decorations or, you know, crafts for my kids. So I want to try these. And these sapoli onions. I use onions a lot. I use a lot of onions, so I want to try these. And I use a lot of green onions too. So I want to get those. And as far as like corn, like other like little things that I want to try is like this corn I wanted to try. And okra. I don't know about okra. Then I let my kids kind of pick what they wanted me to grow as far as like peas and beans. Some of these sweets, what is it? Golden sweet peas. Tons of fire beans. Last year, I grew some I think they're called dragon tongue beans. And my son, he really liked looking at them and eating them and stuff. And so I'm gonna try those. And I have these sweet dove. No, they're not sweet. Purple dove beans that I'm gonna try. I was trying to figure out what like vining type of bean that I wanted to try, because there were like some little things that I wanted to do a little bit differently. But these are all bush type. I think they're all bush. These are all bush type beans. But I wanted to try like some type of vines. I'm not sure these vines. No, these are vining. These are vining. These are vining. I'm gonna plant these. And I did want to try some squash and cucumbers. These are called Armenian long cucumbers. And these are some summer squashes. And those are just some of the things that I'm going to be growing. I got my planner so I could kind of write down when I wanted to start everything, because I can't start everything at once because I don't have the space to do that. And they're not all going to grow at the same rate, and I'm not going to be able to put them outside at the same time. So I got my calendar. I got my happy planner. I don't know if y'all know about happy planners, but they're dope, because they're really dope. And they come with all these really cute stickers, and they come like this. They're super cute too. You know, because we're in February, so it's like it says love. These are super cute, and I love them. I don't really use the stickers as much. I kind of just like use crayons or markers to kind of like make notes and stuff. I do use them sometimes, but I really, 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 really like the Happy Planner. I wrote down my last frost date, because I don't want to plant anything that's gonna like die, you know, because it's like defeats the purpose. But my last frost date is April 6th. So I'm gonna start the other things that I can't even talk. I am gonna start stuff that's gonna take a long time, like peppers and some tomatoes that I know takes forever. So I am gonna start them inside. I haven't bought any grow lights yet, but that is on my list, and I'm really excited. Yeah, and I have like maybe 5 things that I don't have yet that are out of stock that I haven't bought yet. So, yeah, I'm excited. What are y'all doing? Like, have y'all started planning? Have you started any seeds? Like, what y'all doing? Let me know in the comments what y'all are doing. If y'all have indoor seeds that y'all have started already, what they look like. Some tips that y'all have for me for growing any of the stuff that I mentioned, because I haven't grown none of this except for the scarlet kale I've grown before, and that's it really. And the sunflowers I've grown before, and the top soy I've grown. Everything else I haven't grown yet. So if y'all have any tips, please let me know in the comments about what y'all are doing. Any tips and tricks? Any tips and tricks? So there's like 5 more things that I wanted to get. And so, there is a groundhog. Is that a groundhog? There's a groundhog by the fence. Ellen, no, sorry, squirrel. Anyway, so like I said, there's like 5 things that 5 seed varieties I haven't purchased yet that I wanted to add to my grow list for this upcoming grow season. And so then I'll be complete and I'm not getting anything else, because I'm just like, I really don't want to be overwhelmed. I really don't. But I feel like I can handle a little bit, you know. So as always, I hope you have a great rest of the day. Y'all see the sun? Y'all see it? Have a great rest of the day and be blessed.